Hi guys, I am Archer, and today we're going to be drawing the Mosasaurus. I'm using a pen that is kind of like a pencil, but you can draw yours with whatever material you would like. Okay, so we're going to start. So first off, that we're going to do the Mosasaurus. We're gonna make it like going up to the surface to be like catching a fish or something, but I'm not gonna draw like a fish or anything because we're drawing, well, the Mosasaurus. So we're gonna start with the Mosasaurus has a I'm going to draw this a little bit tiny because the paper's upwards, not sideways, and it would probably be hard to see if it was, well, wider more than it was taller. So we're going to draw this guy pretty small. So we're going to first by drawing this little hump, like kind of like a little thing. That's good. And then we're gonna come off the hump before it reaches the bottom, and we're gonna come back in. And then once we do that, we're gonna make another thing below it that goes directly out. We're gonna connect it from here. There we go. Now, for our Mosasaurus, it has sharp teeth. So what are we going to be drawing? You guessed it, sharp teeth. And we're going to do a zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. I don't know why I think it's like a funny or cool word, but to me it is. On the top row, we're going to repeat the same thing. You can make your teeth however you would like, but I make them like sharp. You can make like little bumps or whatever you want to make the teeth like, and whatever you think teeth look like. Now we're going to draw the Mosasaurus's eyes, because if it didn't have eyes, then it wouldn't be able to see. Okay, now I've got this. We're going to draw a line through it. You're going to slightly go out like this. My dad said it looks a little bit more realistic than just a little straight line down. And it does to me. We can now get like this little crocodile vibe. Sorry, that too was my dog. And now, gonna draw an oval but sideways. Gonna draw a little bit of a smaller circle inside. For that to be the snout of the Mosasaurus. Kind of looks like he has two eyes. To make that one, just gonna color this all green. I mean all black. Why did I say green? Now it has this long body. It's gonna be the end. Got it. It's gonna be that long. Now we're gonna draw its flippers. It has 4, but since we're drawing it sideways, we can't draw 4. Now we're gonna draw the Mosasaurus' little pattern on it. Looks like that. And we're just gonna go down. Like that. The color changes. And go right here. Okay. That was a pretty quick drawing. So. And we're gonna sign my name on the top. So, my name is spelled A. And comment down below what else you would like to see me draw. I'm only 6 years old, so please like the video if you can. If not, that's okay. But if you like my Mosasaurus, please like and subscribe. Thank you.